बुधवारा SGPDAची बसका जाली. ह्या बसकेंत साबार विशयांचेर चर्चा जाली. सिंगल टेंडर पास जाल्लो आसा आनी 15 दिसांनी नुस्तें मार्केटाचें अपग्रेडेशन कामाक सुरवात करतले म्हण माहिती SGPDA अध्यक्षा रेणुका डिसिल्वान दिल्या. आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
The main thing is we have received the order and the directions from the government to regarding the ODP. And as such we have resolved in this meeting to start the process of a fresh ODP. Okay. So this we will be doing with help. We will be making use of the existing land use maps and plan. Okay. And thereafter, only after the consultations and suggestions from the local bodies like the MMC and things like that, the ODP will be notified and passed. Okay. Now secondly, we have the important one is also about the parking lot. Okay, that also has been approved. The MP lads have approved the parking lot and we've got the funding from there, and existing lights, the amenities for the public like toilets and footpaths and all have all been estimated and approved. And the estimation was approved by the PWD. Now it has gone to the collectorate for e-tendering. Okay, so that's one thing. And the third thing is regarding the retail fish market. Okay, so we have received. The need of the hour is for clean and hygienic fish market in the Margaon place. So all the people deserve that. So we are trying to hurry up this matter. But we have got a single tender, so we just have to wait for another 15 days to get for the procedure of the thing to happen, and then we will start on the reconstruction, renovation, upgradation of the fish market, retail fish market. Okay. So we have also got grant in aid which needs to be utilized within time frame. So we are in a urgency. There's an urgency of work, so we have to start this.